My name is Moses Nyandusi, the branch secretary, the Kenya University Staff Union, KUSU, Kisii University branch. Today, we gather here to express our collective frustration and demand action on the issues that have affected us for too long. One, the 2021-2025 Collective Bargaining Agreement CBA, National CBA. We call upon the Cabinet Secretary for Education, Mr. Migosi Ogamba, to urgently address the delayed negotiations of the 2021-2025 CBA. Our expectations for the improved terms and conditions have met with unnecessary delays. We urge the national leadership to intervene and resolve this stalemate. Number two, funding model. The proposed funding model is concerning, as it fails to outline how salaries for staff will be sustained. A funding model that does not prioritize staff welfare is not viable. We demand a clear plan on how salaries will be paid under this new structure. Number three is pension remittances. We appreciate the effort made by the Vice Chancellor in clearing long-standing pension arrears. However, there are still delays in remittance of current contributions, which puts our members' financial futures at risk. A call for action to my fellow comrades. This strike is a necessary step in ensuring our rights are respected. Let us stand firm and be united, fully supporting this cause. Our strength lies in our solidarity. We remain open to dialogue, but it must lead to real solutions. We will not stop until our demands are met. A ruta continua, victory is certain. Solidarity forever.
We express our disappointment and our frustrations. For far too long, we have been taken for granted. The government has been given a notice to make sure they negotiate, recheck and implement our CBA 2021-2025. They have failed to do that. That is why in the WASU fraternity, coupled with what our friends from KUSU have said, we withdraw our labor until somebody has sense to make sure that dons are taken seriously. University workers must be taken seriously. Whereas other people in this country have been given allowances, have been given salary increases. For instance, the president just woke up one day and said civil servants will get 7% salary increase. They did not have a strike. State officers have been given between 10 to 14% salary increase. University dons are being told, university workers, dons and workers have been told they'll only get 1% spread for 2 years. What a frustration, what a disappointment. We are not here like it's a mistake. It's our right. If this government cannot listen to us, if they cannot listen to us, we are telling our children who are learning in this university and across all the universities, we have withdrawn our labor until the government comes down. Zakayo lazima afanye nini? And if Zakayo cannot come down, we will go for him. This man calls himself PhD, doctor. I don't understand where he got his PhD from. What kind of a doctor is he when he's giving other people money and they cannot give his fellow colleagues money? Vile mwenzangu amesema hiyo mtu tutafanya nini? Takata. Internally, we have our issues and we are urging the university management, we are urging the council, unless they resolve these issues urgently, we are not going to have peace. Because those guys earn huge salaries, they never care about what we are going through. We must tell them enough is enough. Members of for the estate I want to read the strike notice for the sake of you. This strike notice was given 7 days ago, and it reads, pursuant to the provisions of Article 41, Section 1 and Section 2 and subsection D of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, it states that every person has the right to fair labor practices, which we have been denied. Every person has a right to go on strike, which we are doing now. The Labor Relations Act 2007, Section 76, protects strikes, and we are protected. A person may participate in a strike or look out if the trade dispute that forms the subject of the strike or look out concerns terms and conditions of employment and the recognition of a trade union, which we are now pursuing. The trade dispute is unresolved after the conciliation. Our issues went to the conciliator. They did not address it. They threw us under the bus. Now, I want to be brief. The strike has been called because of the following issues: failure to negotiate, conclude, register, and implement the 2021-2025 CBA as by the law and the recognition agreement executed on the 28th of October 2019 between WASU and the Inter-Universities Public Universities Council, the IPUCCF. 2. Failure to negotiate, conclude, register, and implement chapter collective bargaining agreements from 2013 up to now. These are 3 cycles now. This is why we have withdrawn our labor until these issues are resolved amicably. Even if it means they'll be resolved today, I am very sure members will go to class. If they are not resolved, the members of Kisii University chapter, WASU and KUSU will only be reporting to 2 people. This must be very clear. Members will be reporting to Dr. Andima, the SG, WASU members. KUSU members will only report to Moses Nyandus, the SG. Any other agreement is null and void.
Mapambano,